Okay guys, we thought we'd better show you how to fit these new lights we've got for the F56. You've probably seen them on the website, so we'll just give you a little pointer how to install them. Light surrounds on the F56 opposed to the R, they don't quite go on the same. So what you've got to do is get yourself a little trim tool so you're not going to mark your paint or anything. If you haven't got a trim tool, you can use something else, but put some masking tape down that edge there so you're not going to pry into it. So with these, you have two clips here. So you'll see, just hold it, so you clip it there, and you unclip it at the top. So like I say, you just do have to give it a, so like that. So on the top one there, it actually hooks on. So you're going to go from inside the light there and undo it that way, and you can see. And it's a simple case of when you're putting them back on, going underneath first till that's nice and tight, and then just pressing them back down. I won't do it now until we've installed, but that's that bit. So dead simple installation there. So it's just 3 screws, so we'll whip them out. Right, so all the screws out, you can see it's loose, but it's not released now. Take a look at your new light, and you'll see down in the bottom corner, which is a nightmare to get to, there's 2 little springy clips there and there. So, a bit of contortion is what you've got to do. Remove this panel here. The outside one, as you'll see, dead easy. Just unclip that one, put your fingers behind it. Now this one on the inside is a bit of a nightmare. I've had to use my hand that way and pry it off because, like I say, it is really tight. But just get your hand in there, just unclip that one and you'll see it releases the light. We've got to this point now, there's actually little sealing washers there. You'll notice that obviously they come with new ones, but if they're still pretty much, you can see all mine, there's nothing up with them. There is a little seal on there obviously to stop it leaking from the screw, so you know, if any of them have come loose or come loose, replace it. So plug in, like I said to you, they are plug and play, exactly the same. It's as simple as locking that onto there. So with those bits, just get it nice and square in, line it up, and you'll hear it click, lights in, and then all you've got to do basically is reinstall the screws. Okay, so we're all screwed in nice and tight, seals on. Before we put that surround on, obviously we'll just give them a quick check. So if we lock, unlock, you can see they're pulsing nicely now. So that's basically a feature of these lights, so when you undo them they do pulse. Obviously you saw them, there was no coding that's needed, it's just a simple plug and play. So we'll get in the car now, show you the indicators, just test it away. Okay. Right, so all done, all tested, looking good. So, reinstalling the lights around, so they don't just push on like the R56. So all you've got to do on these ones, you'll see on the bottom there, click it in at the bottom, get it all nicely lined up, just make sure all the inside is tight, and then the outside there, just a good click on, and you can hear it snap into place there, and that's simply it. So there we go, all you need, 2 tools, an F56, and some new lights. As you can see, the finished article looks much better than standard. So now they're all in. Lock on the sweep, unlock, and we got the nice little pulse installation done. Thank you for watching guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the other installation videos. It'll help you get some good ideas of what to do to your Mini and how to actually do it. Thank you very much for watching.
I know you're smart, you spin me around like a knot. You know the pieces of my heart. Sometimes it's fun.